Welcome to this PowerPoint tutorial where you will learn how to lock an image, object or text using a transparent layer. The process is simple, and by following these instructions you can ensure that your elements remain in place without accidental movement or editing during your presentation. To begin, open PowerPoint on your computer. Once the program has loaded, navigate to the presentation in which you want to lock your elements. Look for the project you are working on and open it so that you have your slide visible on the screen. This step sets the stage for adding and adjusting elements that will secure your image or text. Next, move your attention to the Insert tab found on the ribbon. This tab is your gateway to adding new elements to the slide, including shapes, which are essential for this locking method. Once you've clicked on the Insert tab, locate and click on the option labeled Shape. This action will present you with a variety of shapes to choose from. Among the available shapes, select the rectangle. A rectangle works well as a transparent layer because of its uniform shape that can easily overlay an image or text. Draw the rectangle on top of the image or text that you wish to secure by clicking and dragging your mouse. Make sure the rectangle fully covers the underlying element for maximum effectiveness in locking it. After drawing the rectangle, it is important to adjust its order so that it serves as a background element. To do this, right-click on the shape you just created. This will open a context menu where you need to choose the option that sends the shape to the back. Sending it backward ensures that the rectangle does not interfere with your image or text visually while still serving its purpose. With the rectangle now placed behind the image, focus on making it transparent. Click on the option for Shape Fill, which is typically another part of the drawing tools under the same tab, and then choose No Fill. This action removes any color from the shape, allowing the image or text beneath to be fully visible. Similarly, click on Shape Outline and select No Outline to ensure that no visible border is drawn around the shape. The result is a completely transparent rectangle that neatly overlays your chosen elements. At this stage, both your image or text and the invisible rectangle are in place. The next part of this tutorial involves grouping these elements so that they behave as a single unit. To do this, select both the shape and the underlying image or text. If you are using a keyboard, holding down the Control key while clicking on each element is the easiest method to select them both simultaneously. Once both elements are selected, right-click on one of them to bring up the context menu again. In the menu, choose Group. You will then be prompted with another group option. Select Group once more to confirm that you want to combine these items. Grouping them is a key step, as it ties the transparent layer and the image or text together so that they can be moved or edited as a single object. To further ensure that your group remains fixed in place, right-click on the grouped object. When the context menu appears for a final time, choose Lock. Locking the group prevents unintentional alterations during later stages of editing or during the presentation itself. With the group now locked, your image or text is secured by the transparent layer, ensuring that no accidental edits or movements will disrupt your layout. This concludes the tutorial on how to lock an image, object or text using a transparent layer in PowerPoint. By following these detailed steps, you can create layouts that maintain their integrity, keeping key elements precisely where you intend them to be. For further guidance, you might refer to similar tutorials available on Double if more advanced techniques are needed. Enjoy the increased control over your presentations and the benefits of a more secure slide design.